Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shaniele Edwards, and if you've been before, thank you for joining me back. Now guys, I know I've been MIA, I know, but I am back, slowly coming back. Like the title of this video says, I will be doing a life update, kind of just catching up with you guys a little bit. I know you guys have me on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, so you see I am still alive and well. Also, I will be unboxing this cute bag that I got from Coach. Yes, Coach has made a comeback, girl, and listen, I had to be one of them girls with a cute Coach bag. No, I didn't get that leopard one that they have for $4 grand. Yeah, not gonna do that, but I definitely got something that is so cute. I love it so much. Like, listen, y'all about to be seeing this bag a lot. Okay, so let me start with life update. So everything for the most parts remain the same. You know, a girl just been busy. I've been working. Also, I kind of just want to work on a lot more stuff. Like I've got my camera, I've got more equipment. I just want to work on, you know, getting a good space and everything before I start doing videos again, because I feel like that's something that I really need to work on. My editing, it's just a lot that I feel like I want to work on before I come all the way back to YouTube. If I do travel anytime soon though, that is something that I will definitely post, because you know, I feel like that's actually what I'm good at. I'm actually good at travel vlogs. Now your girl hasn't been gone anywhere since we went to Universal's. I was actually trying to take my mom to Turks and Caicos for Mother's Day, but you know, she ain't going anywhere. So that didn't work. But very soon your girl gonna have a vlog. She gonna have a travel vlog, even if it's gonna end up being solo. Still working, still not married. Let's just put that out there. Not married. Still haven't had the baby. Yeah, everything remains pretty much the same. Like I said, it's just been grind mode, just getting my money right. There are big things that I'm actually working on. Cannot wait to share with you guys. And though this might take a while, I'm still excited. So that's where I am focusing on. The family is doing good. Last year this time was not such a good time for us. My mom was more on the, you know, not so healthy side, but everything is going good. I must say though, you know, I think I had said it to you guys. So I think I've explained to you guys that I kind of wanted to do one trip every month for this year. Just because I missed out on so much last year. I feel like, you know, 2020 we were all robbed of basically almost just about the 12 months. So January I did Vegas, February I did Jamaica, March we did Orlando, and then April I was supposed to go to Tennessee. And for some reason I talked to my best friend and I was like, you know, I think I'm just gonna pass on this. I'm just gonna work the whole month, just work. So I moved it over to May. So in April, the last week of April was very tragic, and I won't speak on it too much just because it's very touching. And I have persons that are gonna watch the video that I just don't want to bring them back into, and just for myself as well, because I will not cry on YouTube. But something very sad happened at the end of April, and it carried on until, of course, now is May. So you know, we're still dealing with that. When I say we, I mean myself and a big outside family that, you know, persons I consider family. And so something happened, and it kind of just made me like, you know, I'm not sure right now if I'll be traveling anytime soon. When I say anytime soon, I say for the month of May. There's a lot of healing to be done basically for that situation. Yep, so prayers all the way. But other than that, life update, like, I've been good, you know. Other than that, I've been good. I've been trying to drink my water, like you guys saw. I went to the gym. I didn't keep up with the gym, let me just throw that out there. But I've been eating right, trying to get my rest, take care of myself. And also, if you guys can see, I got my lace laid, because I feel like other than when I'm traveling, I'm always on YouTube looking raggedy. Like, for some reason, I don't do the whole full face makeup and stuff before I come on here. I don't know why. I just don't have the time. But yeah, so as for life update, everything has really been just, I don't want to say good because everything isn't good, but it's not something I can dwell on. You know, the Lord has to do what he has to do. And like I said, just prayers goes out, you know. So let's get into the video. Enough of me chit chatting. How are you guys doing, by the way? Like, drop your comments, let me know how you guys are doing. For those of you who know exactly what I'm talking about and have reached out and everything, I appreciate it. The persons that it mattered to most, they appreciate all the love, everything. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get into this unboxing. So first of all, the bag, it came in this box, and this is what it looks like. Took my address off, but this is the box that it came in. Now, I'm picky. I like to go to the store and buy my stuff because I want the dust bag, I want the shopping bag, I want all of that. And I was trying to look on their website and see if it was a way I could do that, but I don't remember seeing that. So this is what it looks like in the box, right? So it's a big old box, just like Amazon would do. And then when you go inside the box, there is this, and then there's the receipt and the label and shipping. You know, if I wanted to return it, they send this and it's blank, so you just fill it out basically and add the information, and then you would return it. Comes with this cute little card, and it says Coach Outlet, and there's like a barcode in the back. It says, hey there, we have one more thing to brighten your day, scan to try our Instagram filter. So I'll definitely be trying out the Coach Instagram filter. So yeah, this is so cute. Also, I don't know if it's gonna continue, but I know when I was ordering, it said anything I ordered by May 5th I would have before Mother's Day. So I guess that's why the shipping was so speedy. And then this is what I ordered, the price, everything, and then this is if I wanted to return it basically. All right, so let's get into my favorite part. Okay, so this, I went on there. This is not originally what I wanted. I will attach a picture right there to the screen of what I actually wanted. And when I got on there, it was sold out. And I follow this influencer on Instagram, and I DM'd her, and she told me I could get it at Dillard's. Now, when I tried to get it at Dillard's, it was like $200 more than what it is for on Coach, which, okay, whatever, you know. That's what we do too, right? You know, we buy and we sell back at a higher price. But I just, no, not my money. Nah, So I got this instead, and I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. And if you guys are thinking to order this, send me a message, DM me on Instagram at It's Shaniele, because I have a link that I can send to you for $10 off. I mean, it's a little something, but okay. So it comes in this plastic bag, and like you can see, it says Coach on there, New York. And I know you're probably like, why is this girl excited about some Coach? Girl, we wear Chanel, we wear Louis. But I'm excited about it because for the longest I wanted a Coach, and I did get a card holder, which after a while it just looked it just looked old to me, so I did get rid of it. But I've been wanting something from them. I don't know why. So it comes with, I don't know what you call this. What is this? It comes with this thing here, like the foam, but you know, it's that styrofoam thing, and it comes with that over it, so that's kind of like protecting your whole package, protecting your bag. It comes with these. This is just padding, it's just paper, that's all that is. So when you unwrap, the first thing you'll see is this, and that's like if you wanted to do a crossbody, because it is also a crossbody bag. It can be worn in the hand, and it can also be worn as a crossbody. So again, it's just some paper here, you know, just keeping everything in shape, which I do love because that's something I learned. I actually watch another YouTuber, and I just love the way how she puts stuff like these in her bag, or just memory foam or whatever you call it, and just to keep the shape of the bag. So that's something I've been doing. So yeah. And then they have another piece under here to just hold up the handle of the bag. Okay, let's get into the bag. Let me get a little closer. So this is the masterpiece. Y'all, tell me she ain't fire. This is so cute. I love the color. Like, it's more memory foam and it's taped. And this, I guess, is just to protect the buckle here, or whatever you call that. So that's what it looks like. Alright. Again, the tag is on there. And this, as I said, is just if you want to wear it as a crossbody. So I'm going to kind of peel everything off, just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like in case you were thinking to order it. Alright. So the handle up here is like giving me a little leopard vibe, which is super cute. But y'all, it's two-toned and it's just so nice. They also had a red one. The red one was mad cheap, like mad cheap, way cheaper than this one. But I actually just ordered a purse on Shein, a red one, because I was like, I do not have a red purse. But I'm not such a big fan of colorful stuff. Like, I actually was thinking for this summer, something I want to also invest in is maybe at least 2 pair of colored heels. Like, I got a few colored clothes, but when it comes to heels, no. It's just a regular black, tan, white. I guess I'm basic. But this is what it's looking like. So it has the thing here that you just close it right there. And that's pretty cute. Like, that's it. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And, and you know, Sunday is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms on my YouTube channel. This is definitely what I'll be wearing for Mother's Day. No, I'm not a mom. But I had to get myself something for Mother's Day. Because, you know, I'm a, would you say upcoming mom? I don't know. So then here is the inside. Inside it has more padding, more paper. This is so much paper, so I'm definitely gonna be reusing this paper for my other bags that need some stuffing. Like, it's so much paper. And again, this is just so that it keeps the shape. I think that's really why they put all that in there. So this is what inside the bag looks like. Comes with those 2 little things that they put in the, you know, shoes and stuff. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So this is the bag all together. Let me take this off. Also, they put a little piece. Like, I just love the packaging. It's the packaging for me. Like, the way they packaged it to send it out is everything. Like, nowhere, no tear. I mean, they even have a piece of styrofoam back here, if you can see. Like, that's so cute. So on the inside, it has the Coach tag or label or whatever you call that right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then in the back, it's basically a card holder. And of course, they put a little Coach brochure, pamphlet, whatever that is, in the back right there. So this is the bag all together, guys. Like, tell me she is not a little cutie. Like, this is so cute. Look at the back. So this is the back. That's the bottom. Like, details, honey. This, I'm sorry. This one. This one. And my friend also got one. I think she got the exact same color. So we were both eyeing this. So, girl. So, yes. This is so freaking cute. So, again, this is the, and I don't think I told you guys the name. My bad. My bad. So again, guys, this bag is the Georgia Gem Crossbody in blocked signature canvas bag, and it will definitely be in the link down below. So it's again the Georgia Gem Crossbody bag, and I will definitely leave a link down in the description below. And no, this video is not sponsored. It's just me unboxing a very cute bag and just saying hey to YouTube until I decide to come back with more lovely, lovely content. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a really quick video, no long chit chat. Like I said, your girl just been trying to take some time for herself. Once I feel like I'm fully there, I will definitely come all the way back, or if you give your girl somewhere to go. But again, this is my cute bag that I just cannot get over. And again, for the last time, it's the Georgia Gem cross body bag. Super cute, super chic, super, I'm getting luxury also, FYI. And you guys will definitely see me in this. If you want to see photos of me in this bag, definitely follow me on Instagram at its_Shaniele. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Your girl's almost back. And just keep praying, keep elevating, drink your water, sis, and take care until I see you again. Bye.